Welcome, Halloween lovers. Tonight, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to creating a spooky, stylish, and cozy Halloween bedroom, a space that feels like your own haunted sanctuary. Whether you're into classic gothic vibes, witchy elegance, or playful pumpkin magic, I'll walk you through everything from lighting and wall decor to bedding, textures, and budget-friendly ideas. So grab your candles, turn off the lights, and let's get haunting. 1. Establishing your Halloween theme before decorating. Think about your overall theme. Do you want a dark, antique, and mysterious feel? Or maybe something clean, elegant, and modern with just a spooky twist? Your theme is your foundation. It affects every single choice. Lighting, wall decor, and accessories. If you want a vintage Halloween style, go for old lanterns, classic curtains, and antique mirrors. If you prefer modern spooky, think clean lines, black accents, and subtle orange glows. Decide your vibe first. That's how your room will feel truly complete and cohesive. 2. Lighting. Setting the creepy mood lighting can make or break your Halloween bedroom. Start with some Halloween fairy lights, orange or purple. Hang them over your headboard or around the windows. Add battery-powered candles in vintage holders to create dancing shadows. For a spooky cinematic vibe, try LED strip lights behind furniture, or even projection lights that show moving ghosts or bats on your walls. Remember, don't make it too bright. Dim, layered lighting builds that haunting atmosphere we all love. 3. Walls. Transform with tapestries and art. Your walls are your biggest canvas for Halloween creativity. Try hanging a Halloween wall, tapestry, haunted woods, moon cycles, or vintage horror posters work great. You can also DIY your own. Cut paper bats and arrange them like they're flying across your wall. Add portraits with glowing eyes or vintage signs with creepy phrases. Use black lace or fabric for a cobweb texture. For a classy twist, create a Halloween gallery wall frame, old postcards, eerie art, and antique mirrors. 4. Bedding and textiles. Setting the scene. The bed is your centerpiece, so make it bold. Use black or deep purple sheets as your base. Add an orange or ghost-themed duvet, and layer with throw pillows that say boo or trick or treat. Velvet pillows, faux fur, blankets, and satin accents give a gothic touch without losing comfort. And don't forget the texture. Mix fabrics to create depth and a sense of luxury. 5. Accessorizing. Ghosts, pumpkins, and witchy touches. Now comes the fun part. Accessories. If you love haunted themes, add ghost garlands, skeleton models, and cobweb corners. For a pumpkin paradise, cluster small pumpkins on dressers or nightstands. Try mixing orange, white, and metallic painted ones for variety. If you're into witchy vibes, add black candles, crystal balls, and moon and star decor. And if you want elegance, go full gothic chic black velvet curtains, antique frames, and wall sconces with dim lights. 6. Creating a cozy yet spooky feel. Even with a spooky theme, your room should feel cozy and inviting. Use soft throws and pillows in deep reds and blacks. Add scented candles, pumpkin spice, or vanilla to bring warmth. Fairy lights can balance the creepiness and comfort perfectly. Remember, you're building a haunted retreat, not a horror movie set. 7. Budget-friendly Halloween decor. You don't need to spend much to make your Halloween bedroom look amazing. Cut bats and ghosts from black paper. Paint old jars to make candle holders. Reuse pumpkins or old decor from around the house. DIY Halloween projects can look just as stylish as anything you buy, and they add that personal touch. 8. Kids. Halloween bedrooms for kids. Keep it fun, not frightening. Use smiling pumpkins, cute ghosts, and glow-in-the-dark stars. Choose bright orange and purple instead of all black. Add plush Halloween toys or themed bedding. Fun, safe, and perfect for the little ones. 9. Minimalist Halloween style. Not everyone wants a room packed with props, and that's okay. Go minimalist with one bold statement piece, like a black wall tapestry or simple candle display. Use natural elements, branches, pine cones, dried flowers, for a subtle Halloween vibe. Minimal Halloween decor can feel mature, modern, and serene. Dia's final tips and closing thoughts to make your Halloween bedroom truly stand out. Stick to a color scheme, mix textures for drama. Layer your decor walls, lights, and accents. Keep safety first with LED candles instead of real flames. And most importantly, make it uniquely you. Add decorations that tell your story, a room that's spooky, stylish, and full of your Halloween spirit. Thanks for watching. If you love spooky design and DIY Halloween ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more haunting inspiration.